once you have defined your saved filter, so some of these are tags that I've set up, but some of these are really what I named my filter, which may be the same as the tag, but the default one is one that is saved as the default. Whichever one you have as default, that's like the main list of whatever it is that's supposed to be in there. If you come in here and you go down to edit filters, go down to the bottom, and you may have to scroll, but you go down to the bottom, select that, then you can set up whatever people, whatever tags, whatever thing that you want, and then click on save as and give it a name. So in this case, I've got presidential set up here. I could come up here, give it a name. I've already got presidential, but I'll just say, presidential, and then click on save. And once I do that, that adds it to this list. Now, I may have several things on presidential. Maybe I have all my A presidents, or all my B president, or maybe I only those clients. Maybe I don't even want to use tags at all. Maybe I just want my A and B clients. So I can come over here and say, save filter as A and B clients. I give it that name and click on save. That will add it to the list. A and B clients. So now that list item will be in my drop down whenever I want it. I could go ahead and say show contacts, and it's going to show me these A or B clients. Or if I go back, it's going to be back to whatever I want. But now I'll be able to pick from my list. And actually it didn't update because I canceled out. But once that fills that list, then A and B clients. So I could click on this and it'll bring up my clients that are A and B categories, or whatever it is.